Hi, my name's Tom Shue, and today I'm going to show you how to do lens correction inside of Lightroom. When I say lens correction, I'm talking about distortion. Now you can see this flagpole is kind of angled to the left, and the buildings look like they're falling away from us. So it looks like they're tilted away, and you can see that this building is angled in, but the car looks like it's pretty good as far as the horizon's concerned. So there's a couple things we want to do. First, we'll go into the crop tool, and we'll just hover the corner, and we'll get a fine grid, and we're just going to rotate this around a little bit until we've got a vertical line on that light pole, one that's kind of parallel to the light. We'll just crop in our image. Now that straightened up some things, but those buildings are still diving away. My corners are vignetted, so we can fix a lot of these things. Come down here to lens correction. Now there's some automated solutions. If you click on enable profile corrections, it will use the metadata and apply a profile to correct any kind of distortion. Now here's a before and after. You can see that it did fix, what's going on with this, but this still looks like this corner's kind of pushed in and the buildings are away. So we can go in and override what that's going on with this distortion down here. Okay? We can make our own corrections. Now look at the corners. We can make those darker, or we can brighten them up and even them out. Now, just because we've applied a correction inside of here, automatically, doesn't mean we can't go ahead into manual controls and make some more adjustments. So to me, it looks like the buildings are diving away. So I'm going to go to the vertical adjustment, and I'm going to push them so that they come forward a little bit. Okay. Now I kind of like the way that looks, but you can see that the bottom of the frame is falling off. If you do constrain crop, what it will do is it will crop the image to maintain those corners so they're square. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our vertical. I'm going to push back a little bit, not quite so much, and I might come into distortion and push it back just a hair, and I might rotate it just a little bit to get this building straighter. Okay, so we're going to rotate just a hair, something like this. And you can tweak it and fine tune it however you like. You can also control vignetting in these corners as well. So let's brighten up those corners a little bit. Okay, and now let's look at the before and after. There's the before image, and this is the after image. Now it is to taste, and you can correct it however you like, but Lightroom is pretty powerful when it comes to correcting wide angle distortion. So that's it. I want to thank you all for taking time to visit my blog today, and until next time, we'll see you soon.